Welcome, our phone is a VIVO Y20s, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts app, which is located right over here. Let's skip signing in. So once you're in there, tap on the three bars, go to settings, and from here at the bottom you should see import option. Once you tap on it, you want to select that you want to import from SIM card, confirm it, and all the contacts that are on the SIM card should be visible right over here, and all of them should be selected by default, assuming they do not repeat. Meaning, if you already have some kind of contact on your phone and they're basically the same number, it will gray them out and won't let you actually select them. Now I can show that quickly in a second. Now apart from that, you can, as you can see, deselect contacts that you might not want, and from there simply tap on the check mark to import said contacts that are selected, and they will be visible right here. Now going back to not being able to import contacts that are already on there, just a quick show. There we go. So you can see those are the two contacts that I imported, and now I cannot actually select them anymore because they are already on the device. But that is basically how you would import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.